table2.html, table2.html will help us to create a file with the table only, but using some other properties as well. Body open close, body also open close, but open a table, close the table, right hand side, align to center, self padding equal to 10. Next, after that, write a caption tag. Inside the caption tag, you can write the h1 tag and write here called user list. User list. H1 functionality you know well. It will help you to increase the font size. H1 functionality is to increase the font size. So under the caption, we follow the H1. So content of caption will be big font size. Content of caption will be big font size. Write a TR. Write the TH, and this user list, instead of that, we can write user details like yesterday file. User details. We can write here called user ID. Write a TD 01. Next TD. Next write a TR. TH. Full name.
The list TD01. Caption
Write the TD. Mr. Ganesh. Okay, so cell padding we are written yesterday also. Cell padding we wrote today again.
TD 01.
Then cell padding 10. Save the file. Run again. You will find it will come little something like this with no border. Border we can apply. Border we can apply 1, and cell padding, if you want to increase, you can increase to 15, 20. Then see, now surrounding, you will get the border inside also as well as outside also. Write one more TR. Follow inside called TH. Mobile number. Write next TD. Okay, done. Check now. So look like this. Add some more details. Or maybe we can use another property here. Three properties. Okay, 3TR is fine. 1, 2, 3R. Use a property called cell spacing. Cell spacing equal to, give some 10, 12. We'll come to know cell spacing what it do, cell padding what it do. Cell spacing again. Now see, you will see little space inside. Between two cells also we got some space. Between two cells we got some space. So this happened through the cell spacing. And this mobile number is living inside surrounding space that happened through the cell padding. Okay, so padding give a space inside and spacing give a space outside. Between two cells, a space will get applied using cell spacing. Inside the cell, a space will get applied using the padding, cell padding. Okay. So this type of table you will create if you have one customer. If you have one details, one particular user details or product details or any one entity details if you have, then you can display like this. Left side heading and right side data. Okay. So add one or two more TR. So length will get increased. Call city name. Bangalore. Then education. Yeah. Okay, hope today. Now check once. It should look like this. So this type of table will create if we have one user details, one product details, or anything, one entity details, if you want to display, you can use this table. Come in the same file. After this table, create another table. So hope working for everyone. Let me know in chat. You tried, your page worked or not? It's loading or not loading? Are you able to run or not? Okay. Now come down after this table, create the next table. Create the next table, or you will create next file itself. If you create in one file, you can compare. Okay, so let's keep here. Table align equal to center. Self padding 10. Border 1. And then border color. Border color. We will make a note of this all property. A red color. Border color, red color. Border color, red color. Now write a caption again. H1 user list. User list. So for one user, we have follow one table. This table is for the multiple users. In that heading, we will keep in the beginning. Write a TR tag. Then follow the TS tag. Serial number. Serial number. Full name. Mobile number. Education. TH. City. So total 5 TH we have added. That represent for every user, we have to take 5 input.
H1 can be used twice.
In one page. In one page, H1 if you are using more than one time, it will not make any sense because both will be same height. Both will be same height. And in one page, main heading should be only one time. Okay. Main heading should be only one time.
Caption you can use.
Hmm?
In caption you can use something.
No. In one page, H1 should be only one time, anywhere. Okay. In one page, H1 should be only one time, anywhere. Wherever you use, but use only one time. Okay. Now check now this file how it appear. Here we added. This is the second table. In that caption, then H1, then TR, and then multiple TH. Now run this file again. Should look like this. Here. Come down. Add the TR. Now heading is ready. Now for every heading you have to add the value using TD. So write the next year. Next year should be total 5 TD. First TD will be for serial number. Second TD you can give the name. Okay. Third TD you can write mobile number. Fourth TD you can keep education. 7 to 8 आज से नहीं करेंगे, 7 वाला मंडे से करेंगे। आज कुछ मेरा होमवर्क है, मैं खत्म कर लेता हूँ। हाँ, 7 o'clock वाला क्लास मंडे से करेंगे। Okay, we added till where mobile number, education you add some education. Next you add call city, Bangalore. Okay, next after that save it and check once, something like this. Add one more user. TD 02. Next TD. Next TD. Next TD. Next TD. How many TH we have given? That many TD you have to write for every users. Okay, so the field will look like something this. Based on content, table will become little white. Okay. Next, after that, write one more TR. Any details you can add? 03. Next TD. Next TD. Next TD. Mobile number something. Next TD. Become. Next TD. Okay, so 3 users we added. So this is also one format of table where if you have multiple records with the similar entity, similar not entity attribute, then we can use this type of table that look like this. Double line border is coming. If you want to bring single line border, we have option. We can make it single line border. How we can make? Let's come up. 3 users you added. Now go to the table and by default double border will come. If you write border 1 also double line will come. If you want to convert it to single line, cell spacing should be 0. Cell spacing equal to 0. Cell spacing equal to 0. There should not be a space between 2 cells. Now by default some space is coming. Because of that space, you can see double line border. Cell spacing keep 0. You will see the single line border. Check now, single line border appear. Okay, done now. Check once. It should be like this. Single line border or still double line. In the last there is a double line, correct?
Yeah.
That you can't remove from HTML. Using CSS, we have to give border bottom none. Then it will remove. Okay, so we got idea on 2 table. Next example will be, suppose you want to combine this both the field together, education and city. two column data we want to combine together, two column space. Sometime we want to combine two city together. Like suppose one user from Bangalore, one more user from Bangalore. So in that case, how to display Bangalore only one time between both the users? So that will be called call span and row span. So when you combine two column together to display the common data, that will be called a call span. When you combine two rows together, the first row and second row, then it is called a row span. Okay, row span and call span. So come to the developer guide now and make a note for. So I hope you will remember this, how to make the single border using cell spacing 0. And border color you will give, and the border you will give 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, anything. So that much border you will apply. Border 1 you have given, can you try with the 10, what is happening? Give border 10, see what it reflects. Then outer border will be more, inside border will be 1 pixel only. Suppose I given called 10 here. So outer border will be more, inner border will be 1 pixel itself. These all are the certain limitation you have through HTML directly. Border is coming, but if you want inside border and outside border should be same, then we have to call again CSS. And we have to override the HTML property, and we need to call the property from CSS and give border for TR, TH, TD and table equal border. So it will apply equal border from all sides. Okay, so this two way we can create the table. Now we can make some note in developer guide, then we'll follow the next file. Okay, so you have written a property called cell spacing. Cell spacing. Cell spacing. Okay, cell spacing. We can write here. It apply a space outside of TH and TD. It apply a space outside of TH and TD. Okay, outside of TH and TD, it apply the space. That is called a cell spacing. Come down. Next we have called border. We have written already. We have written the top. Next is called border color. It will help you directly to apply the color for border. Next we have a property called call span. What is going to help us? It used to combine. It used to combine a space of two or more. Combine the space of two or more. Hello. Rajesh from not just on weekend. Weekend batch is running as of now. That is again 70-80% is over. Next batch will be after 2 weeks nearly. Not just. You have not followed the message. They have message in to join the backend class. Next again after 2 weeks. You 2 or 3 weeks. You can contact to Info Campus number. They will guide you. Okay, thank you. Written. So it used to combine the space of 2 or more th and td. Th comma td. Okay. Now we'll create example to understand the call span how it works. Call span. Right calls. Table 2 you have made already. Table 3 dot html. Table 3 dot html. Table 3 dot html. Right. Table 3 dot html. Start from HTML again and follow the body tag. Go inside. Write a table again. Cell call span. Align. First keep center. It should print in the middle. Next write cell padding. 10 will be okay. Cell spacing. Keep for 0. Cell padding 10. Cell spacing 0. And then use the border equal to 1. Write border color also red, and width of the table also. Width of table somewhere 70% of the screen. Width of table 70% of your screen. So what is the size of the screen? Is that okay? Ready? Come down. Write the caption again. In caption, follow the H1 again. Table. Call span. Example. Table call span example. Now come down. Write the next TR. In that you write similar way TH, serial number, second TH, full name, third TH, mobile number, 4th TH, city, and 5th TH, education. Okay, then now come down, write the next TR. The first user have all the details. The first user have all the details. TD01, next TD, full name. Any name you can write. Next TD, mobile number. Next TD, city. Next TD, education. BCA. Check now, your table width is coming 70% of the screen.
Wait, sir, we are typing.
Writing. Right.
Table data is not.
TT will print in the left side by default. TH will be in the center and TT will be in the left. We have solution for TR. We can write align center. Border color is not red. Which color is that? Is it red only, no? Check color spelling. COLOR. Should not be COLOUR. COLOR. Okay, COLOR. Now come down, and for the specific TD also you can write align property, and for TR also you can write align property. If you're writing here now for TD, then for all TD we have to write. If you write for TR, then it will apply for all the TD. So one place if you write, it will happen for all. Let's call align equal to center. Align equal to center. Align equal to center. See it now. Everything is printing in the middle. So this is the normal your output. Next, after this, write it. Let me know also. Happen or not, working or not. Color is filling in programming COLOR. Now next user we have in such a way. Next user we have in such a way. The next user has not mentioned the city. Here while filling the form, assume he has not filled the city. Then how you will display here? We can write here call tr right inside called td then td 02 next td name next td mobile number next td since he has not filled the city directly education will come become you will see the page will look like incomplete. Looking incomplete. It look like something is missing. Correct? One TD is missing from the last.
In the city place, education printed.
Education came at the place of city. Okay, so first apply for TR, align as a center. So it will print in the middle. Line as a center, it will print in the middle. Next, after that, your data will come in the middle. Something like this. But value is mismatch. Place of city. Right. Next, we can use the call span property here. And we will ask the mobile number to take the place of city also. We will ask the mobile number field to take the place of city also. Then automatically education will go to the education place. Like a space of city and a space of mobile. We will give to the mobile. So that city will not get, education will not get a space here. Education will be in the line of education. How you will do that? Now look, how many columns are missing? One column is missing, that is called city. Now before city, which column exists? Mobile number. Now it is the duty of the mobile number TD to take the place of next TD also. Okay, so always whenever you want to combine the space, you have to give that capability to the first occurrence. Now suppose one column is missing and you want to utilize that space. Even the previous column can also use the space, but your data will be de-aligned. if you are giving the space to the first occurrence TD, then first occurrence will cover till last, and after that last data will start. So it will not look like dearranged data. So let's go. Write for TD, align, not align, call span. COLSPAN. Call span equal to, now we have to see how many column is missing. One is missing. And you want to give that to whom? Mobile number TD. So mobile number is already one TD, one, and one is missing. So become as a 2. Okay. Then this TD will be taking the place of equal to 2. One is the current and one is missing. So it will become proper now. Check now. You can fill, but you will not get idea what is the use of call span. He is asking like, we can use the empty TD. Empty TD we can use. It will show as empty, but will not come to know what is the use of call span. Okay, scenario is not that we can put as empty. Scenario is what is the meaning of call span and how to use the call span. Okay. So if in a case, if any TD is missing, and instead of showing as an empty field, you want to share that space with some other TD, other column, then we can use the call span. Okay. You have already seen multiple times when you get any kind of bill copy from somewhere, invoice copy from somewhere, inside multiple row column will be combined. Or if you remember your marks card, in marks sheet also, there will be so many row column spans. One row will cover full, another column will cover half, correct? So that way people use this property. It's useful only, not useless. Call span. See here now. You can see this space gone to whom? Mobile number. But again, mobile number came in the middle. Why? Because we are given the align center. So all will come in the middle. We'll write for this particular TD, you print in the left. All let it be in the center, but you print in the left. Okay. But again, if it will print in the left, then it will come in very left. It will start from the complete left. Okay. Let's write here once and see. It will come in the complete left. Align equal to left. Left. Then the number will print, but it will come in the very left. You can see again. Better it was in the center only. Let it be default one as go to the center. Align, don't apply. So using call span, you combine two columns together. The space of two columns. Right? Come now. Write the next ER. Right inside again align. Okay, so hopefully your this mobile number column got combined properly. It looks like this. Now we have next user in such a way. Next user, he has given the name and education. Third user has given the name and education. Remaining these two fields are missing. That is phone number and city. Now this phone number and city space we have to give to this column. Name. So how it will look? First write the TD for serial number 03. Then write next TD name. Okay. Something I have written. Next, after that, directly education is mentioned. Okay, after that, directly education is mentioned. Then how many columns missed now? 2 are missing. Mobile number and city. So for the name column, you can run this and check once first. It is something like this. Okay, mismatch happen many things. Now 2 column is missing and 1 is the name. So total will be call span 3. Call span equal to 3. Okay, so it is something like this. Name may be come in the center. So it is taking the place of total 3 columns. Okay. Now fourth user is in such a way, fourth user who has everything, serial number, name, mobile, city, all details are there, but education is same. Third user education and fourth user education is same. So in that case, MBA we will combine. The row span opportunity will come. Okay, let's go. First, write all. For the fourth user, write all the details. Okay. TR, TD, 04, next TD, next TD, next TD, is mobile number. Next TD is city. Next TD is education. Okay, written. Check now is something like this. Align center we can write for TR. Something like this. Now 2 user MBA record is same. We have to use here call row span. So call span is clear or not? Call span is clear. If any column is missing, then on the behalf of the particular column, their space we can give to some other column, that also previous occurrence. Then we need to count how many column is missing and where you are combining. Call span you have to write like that. And this concept is called a call span. Okay, now suppose in the two rows, one after other, if you find the similar record, you have a feature called row span. You can use that and you can display one place. Okay. So see, don't add for this one. MBA for this, if you add, this become little complex. So till third number, let it be. Give this one call fourth number user as a MCA. Fifth number user also come as MCA. Then will be helpful to make it clean. We can write it. Okay, MCA you write for the fourth user. And fifth user also will have everything, but education will be same. Then we'll use the row span. Because till third number row you have used call span. Let's separate it. Fourth number and fifth number apply a row span. Write it here. Open and close. ED 05. Next ED. Next ED. City is different. Next ED. Education will be same. Align for TR is the right. Okay, check now. So for fourth user and fifth user, education remain same. So in that case, we can combine the education of fourth and fifth. Then record is duplicate. So again, you have to add the row span for the first occurrence, not for the last occurrence. So first occurrence is row number 4, MCA. MCA of row number 4 is the first occurrence. So we'll write here call row span. How many row you want to combine? 2 rows. One is the current and one is the next. You can write row span 2. Row span 2. Now come down. In the fifth row, MCA you have written, you need to remove that. Or instead of removing, select it and then do the right click. Select it and do the right click and select block comment. Select this TD, do the right click and select block comment. So that particular TD will get commented. Particular TD will get commented. Okay, ready? So your face will look like this. Two rows values got combined. That is called a row span. You have to remove this, either remove or comment. Either remove the last TD or comment it, then only it will fit properly. Else one TD will be extra, it will go outside. Else one TD will be extra and it will go outside. We'll add one more TR. We'll add one more TR. User number 6. He also belong to Bangalore. User number 5 belong to Bangalore. User number 6 also belong to Bangalore only. Right? TR, TD, 01 or 01, 06. Next TD, next TD, next TD, next TD. He is from BTech background. Okay, happen. Kolkata or Bangalore? Bangalore only, no? Bangalore. Then where we will add the row span? ED. First, let me keep a line center. Then in the serial number 5, TR, you have to write the row span. Row span equal to 2. And then this Bangalore should get comment. Correct? So row span will help you to combine sprays vertically, top to bottom. Call span will help us to combine as left to right. Okay? Something like this. This is call row span. This is also row span. This is call span. This is also call span. Now, based on this, we can try some example. We can try some homework. Possible? I will guide you now. You can log into the, you can create an account in LMS, and after that you can log in there, and after login you will have list of photos you can download and then try it. Okay. Basic to advanced. So hope working for all. Check now.
Yes, sir.
Now time is to do some R&D by individual. So for that, it's called as a homework. Okay, revision. So do something in home also, then only it will remember, else will forget. So for that, what I have made is, we have an LMS application. In that, set wise some assignments are arranged properly. Okay. Now I will give you the URL. You can create your account, and then you can log in, and then you can download. Okay. I'll guide you how to do that. Okay. Internet you have in the system, you need to connect it. So we'll open the website infocampus.co.in/LMS. infocampus.co.in/LMS. LMS. I will send you this link also in your chat. infocampus.co.in/LMS.